Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play the new game mode on Dress to Impress, which is Style Showdown. It's not super new, but anyways, we're going to select this section here, and there's going to be a Style Showdown option. You're just going to click on that, and you're going to select yes. You'll need a minimum of 6 players in every game. I don't know why the loading screen was like that. It is better if there's only 6 players because there's more chance of you winning, I guess. Anyways, I'm just waiting for this to load. I'm listening to Sabrina Carpenter right now, so. My good graces, also to let that so fast. Also, fast walk is your best friend because I need money. Look, I don't have a lot of money left. I only have like 300. Actually, I already bought everything from the new update. But still, I need to prepare for the next update. Like, who knows? Okay, when you have all the players lined up, people tell you to skip usually if they have played it yet. If they have played the game mode. So, skip. I know sometimes people will tell people to skip in the chat even. You only have 3 minutes, and also you can okay, you know what? Let's just get started with the game. You only have 3 minutes, by the way, and you'll get a theme here. Sometimes you'll get challenges as well. Break up. Okay. Alright, break up. Make sure you have custom makeup prepared. Unlike me, I don't have it prepared. I'm going to have like a super sad face because breakups are sad. I know people do like this theme like not sad, but I'm sad, alright? Also, don't do this because it's going to take up most of your time. Okay, I mean, sure. I'm going to have like the messiest hair ever, or attempt to. Oh my gosh, they don't have the new hairstyles yet. I think it's understandable because I feel like people will take so long. I do need that extra strand to cover my face. Oh my god, the eyes are knotted. Even though it's so perfect for sad eyes. You know what? I'm gonna do that. Oh my gosh, I'll do animated, and then I'm just gonna do a quick sweater moment because I'm sad. Shoes, hello? Props. Oh my god, like an ice cream, I guess, because oh my gosh, no. I wanted a phone, like, real bad. Pants, I'm gonna just do this because I don't got the time to. Oh my gosh, actually her outfit was tea. Which pants did she use? Oh, this one. I'm gonna look so rough because I just had a breakup. I need some contour though, like a little bit won't hurt, you know? Like this maybe. Shoes. These sandals. I mean, I guess this ice cream won't be that bad. Or should I use a bat? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use a bat because I'm like the crazy ex, you know? Anyways, our outfits are similar. Anyways, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.